Want to create and sell your own unique digital art on the Solana blockchain, all from the convenience of your phone? Let's dive into minting NFTs on Solana using your mobile device first. You'll need some essential tools first, a Solana wallet on your smartphone, like Phantom or Solflare. Downloading it is the first step. Secondly, you'll need some SOL, the Solana cryptocurrency. To cover transaction fees and minting costs, you can buy SOL from various crypto exchanges and transfer it to your wallet. And third, you will want a platform or app for making your art. The process begins in the creation stage. Create your NFT artwork. This could be a digital image, a piece of music, or any other digital file. Once your art is finished, save it in a suitable format like JPG or PNG for images. Next, it's time for the minting process. With your SOL loaded into your wallet, you're prepped using Solana's mobile-compatible marketplaces. You will be able to begin the process within the marketplace. There should be an option titled Create NFT here. You will select to upload your art. Fill in all the necessary information, starting with a title. Next, add a description for your NFT. Then, make sure to include the price. Finally, hit mint or create to execute the process. Congratulations! You've minted your first Solana NFT. Be patient, because minting costs are typically low compared to other blockchains. Now, your NFT is ready to be listed for sale, or you can simply admire your creation. Happy minting!